Hello and welcome back to IOSnap. In this video we will demonstrate how to modify existing data in the program. To modify data in IOSnap, select the Data tab on the upper toolbar. Under Edit, you will see the option Modify Data. Here the user can choose which data set they wish to modify. Use, Make, Final Demand, and State are the options. The use and make tables are linked. Changes made in the use table will affect the make table and vice versa. Once the use or make table is selected, a new screen will appear that says either full use or make, depending on the selection. These screens contain a list of industries, the actual make or use table, and an edited, pre-edited total screen. This edited and pre-edited total screen serves to help the user maintain balance between the tables. If there is a severe unbalance, it is adjusted using the trade column. In our case, let's increase the value of the agriculture and mining sector by 100. This change is then reflected in the edited and pre-edited total. If you would prefer the original data, click Reset. In our case, we will continue with the data I originally said. Once your change has been made, click Proceed. This opens the IOSnap Dataset Name window. This is used to create a new unique name for your new altered dataset. This dataset can now be accessed under the Data Selection tab on the lower toolbar. To modify Final Demand, select the Final Demand tab under Modify Data. The Final Demand editing form will open. The process is similar to the use and make table with the absence of a balancing screen. If a user does not like the changes they made, they can click the Restore button to return to the original data. Once the user is satisfied with the changes they made, click OK. In our case, let's increase agriculture and mining by 100. Once the user is satisfied with the changes, they can click OK. This reopens the IOSnap Dataset Naming window, where the user can create a new unique name for the altered dataset. This dataset can also now be accessed under the Data Selection toolbar on the lower tab. To modify state data, select the State tab under Modify Data. The Select State window will then open, allowing the user to choose the state they wish to work on. Once the state has been selected, the State Data Editing form will open. Here the user can change state employment, employee compensation, gross operating surplus, taxes, and gross regional product. If the user dislikes the changes they have made, they can reset to the original data using the Reset button. In this case, let's increase employee compensation by 100. And then click Proceed. An alert will pop up asking if you wish to proceed. You may select Yes, No, or Cancel. In our case, we will select Yes. This reopens the IOSnap Dataset Naming window, which you can either click Cancel or OK. That creates a brand new tab that the user can access now in the Data Selection screen. In our next video, we will discuss how to load and manipulate your own data using IOSnap.